Today we're making oatmeal pancakes. This is one of our very favorite recipes, and we're just gonna start with all of our ingredients laid out to make it as fast as possible so you guys can get to it. So the first thing is 1/3 cup of oatmeal, of oat flour. Logan, you wanna pour that in the big bowl? So when you're cooking, a lot of the time you combine all of your dry ingredients. So this is 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, and then you do the wet. This is 1 tablespoon of sugar. Good job.
Dessert.
1 teaspoon of baking powder.
Dessert.
Yep. And 1/3 of a teaspoon of kosher or coarse salt. And then we're gonna whisk all those together. Once that's done, we're gonna combine all of our wet ingredients up here. Okay, so our wet ingredients are gonna go in the small bowl. This is our 1.5 tablespoons of melted butter. Melted butter. And then 2/3 cups of milk. We used regular milk. The original recipe called for soy milk. You can use any kind of milk that you like or that you usually drink. 1/2 cup of cooked oatmeal. This is really just oatmeal and water. You bring it to a boil and then you simmer it until it looks like that. This can be leftover oatmeal. That's always good. 1 tablespoon of molasses or honey. We've got honey here.
It's making you a line.
Yeah. Whoops. And when you're cooking with young children, expect to make at least a little bit of a mess sometimes. A little bit of a mess, and that is okay.
I'm just trying not to do
Sometimes
again.
a lot of a mess.
I'm just sometimes trying to not do that again when.
Next time we make pancakes?
Yeah.
Okay. Not a big deal. All right. There's that. And then we need our egg. Can you crack our egg?
Because it made them pteranodon.
Yes, I can. Rock? My egg is hatching. Can you crack it?
Say, what's my egg? And
Hurry up and crack the egg.
can say, what's in my egg?
What's in my egg?
Egg.
An egg. No babies?
An egg.
An egg.
Egg. No baby.
Now we're gonna whisk this together. Okay, the next thing we're gonna do is gently fold our wet ingredients in here into our dry ingredients in here. Folding usually means using like a spatula. You can also use a fork or a spoon. So, hey, wait. So we're gonna take these ingredients,
Spatula.
pour them in here. All right, Logie Bear, you wanna fold those in together? Here, I'll show you how. So you just mix it really gently.
Why are you saying it to that big tower?
I'm saying, yes, that big tower.
What's that big tower?
And you only mix until all of the ingredients are mixed together and wet. You don't want to keep mixing after that.
How
So,
many?
That looks pretty good.
Okay.
Okay. So now we're gonna take a little extra butter.
And I'm gonna flip it over.
Nope, we're not gonna flip anything over. So we're gonna take little bits of butter, and you can either use just a regular pan to cook your pancakes, or you can use a griddle like I've got here. And we like to put a pat of butter wherever we're gonna put a pancake. So once those are all, once your butter's melted,
that's melting.
this is something an older child could do.
Look, the ice is
Make
melting.
sure you don't touch, it's hot.
The ice
But
is
a
melting.
little one, Logan is 3, and I wouldn't let him do this quite yet. What you're waiting for is to see all these little bubbles starting to form on the top. So these 3 look like they're, especially these 2, look like they're ready to flip. So I'm gonna just put a little more butter on there. Flip that one. Yep. Nice golden brown.
We're going to speed through the rest of this cooking because you guys don't need to watch my pancakes cook. While you're waiting for your pancakes to cook, some things you can do are slicing up strawberries, rinsing blueberries or blackberries. If you can't tell, I really like berries with my pancakes, but you can also do chocolate chips, bananas, walnuts, whipped cream, or anything else you like with yours. You can even put some of those things in your pancake mix, in your pancake batter, and make chocolate chip pancakes. While you're waiting, you can also get out your syrup and get your plates ready. This is going to sound boring, but you can wash the dishes so you don't have to do them after breakfast. And kids, you can help with almost every part of this. Kids can wash the berries, mix ingredients, flip the pancakes, even pour the pancakes. So try this recipe out. Try a bunch of recipes with your family and start cooking.